The focus is on how do you do risk management for a capital project, whether it's oil and gas, whether it's downstream, refining, whatever it is what's the whole way to properly do risk management and manage the proper outcome of your project. So, we go through the various steps of risk management. We talk about the methodology. We also talk about how to apply it to a capital project and apply it successfully. Those are the main things that we talk about. I tell you, typical folks that would really benefit from this session is, say, project managers, subject matter experts, anybody that works on a project, whether it's operations, commercial, anybody associated with the project, that needs to understand about what the proper way is to manage risk on a project. It's relevant specifically in the light of how many large projects fail. In a significant, I'm sure you've seen all the data that a significant number of large capital projects, regardless of who executes them, fail. And when we say fail, they're way over budget, they're way late, they have operational issues. And one of the main reasons, other than inadequate planning, is the failure to manage risk during the execute phase of the project. And so some of the things that we talk about is why these projects fail, what the critical few risks are and how to identify them, how to use risk management in making effective decisions, and also, basically risk-based decision making. So those are some of the things that we talk about that are critically important for anybody that works on a project team. Eventually, it really gets down to how can we help the company succeed and the individual. And basically what we're doing is that anybody that works on a team, we're giving them the tools so that when they get back to their place of work, they can effectively manage risk and do it properly. And with that, if they can manage risk, that should improve the probability of their project being successful. We'll give them the tools so that they can do risk-based assessments or review risk-based assessments for cost and schedule, so that when they present a cost estimate or a schedule, they'll understand what probabilistic issues may exist around that, and basically to help them succeed along with the project.